How to send dice in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can send dice in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your Monopoly Go app. Actually guys, if you want to send dice onto your friends here in Monopoly Go, you cannot. Yes guys, there's no way that you can send a dice here. Monopoly Go does not have a feature or option to send a dice. But I have a way to earn or get dice here in Monopoly Go. As you can see right now, I have a lot of dice, almost 600. What I did is I invited my friends on Facebook and I earned 100 dices each from them. Let me show you how. Just click the friends icon on the bottom right corner. And here you can click the invite. Once you're here, you can see two options to invite a friend. You have the invite button, which you can invite them using the link and send it to them. The second one is invite button from Facebook Messenger. This allows you to invite your friends on Facebook to play Monopoly Go. And that's how you can earn dice on Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful, and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.